Hey, football fans. Here's a fun one for you. How are your NFL power rankings shaping up for Week 7? Drop your top 3 teams in the comments below, and let's get this debate started. Cowboys fans, I know you're out there. How are you feeling about being America's mess right now? Guys, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It's super important so you don't miss out on all these NFL power moves and jokes. Police car light. Okay, now let's get into it because wow, the Cowboys are the drama. Pete Prisco just dropped his Week 7 power rankings, and the Cowboys have slid down to number 17. Yep, you heard that right. Asterisk 17 asterisk. Talk about a birthday gift nobody wants, especially Jerry Jones. Imagine blowing out candles while the Lions blow out your team 47-9. Ouch. Birthday cake lion face. Now, what's going on in Dallas? They were supposed to be America's team, but right now, they look like America's punching bag. And just to twist the knife, they've been outscored 119-53 in their last 3 home games. That's almost as painful as getting a fruitcake for your birthday every year, except this time the Cowboys delivered Jerry Jones an actual nightmare. Defense? Mia. They could have had 12 guys on the field and still wouldn't have stopped the Lions. Micah Parsons is missing, sure, but how does a whole defense disappear faster than your leftovers after Thanksgiving? Zitue. And don't get me started on that running game. Ezekiel Elliott? More like Ezekiel the guard, because that's how slow he looks right now. Dak Prescott must be thinking, can somebody help me out here? Man running dashing away. By the way, if you're enjoying this roast of the Cowboys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Seriously, it's important. You want to stay tuned because, believe me, the drama isn't stopping anytime soon. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the coach on the hot seat? Mike McCarthy's job is hanging by a thread. I mean, at this point, when do the Bill Belichick to Dallas rumors start heating up? Next week? Or has it already started and we just didn't hear it over the sound of Lions fans cheering? McCarthy's safe for now, says Jerry Jones. But after getting slapped around like this, can anyone really be safe in Dallas? Who do you guys think should be the Cowboys' next coach? Let me know in the comments, and don't hold back. Asterisk, asterisk, this is important. Asterisk, asterisk, megaphone, the Cowboys are 3-3 right now, but it feels like they're living a 1-5 life. And with the 49ers up next, followed by games against the Eagles and Falcons? Woof. At this point, Dallas might want to consider playing their games in silence. Save themselves the embarrassment. Microphone prohibited. If they don't pull off at least 2 wins in their next 5 games, McCarthy might be packing his bags, and Jerry Jones will probably be dialing Bill Belichick's number faster than you can say Super Bowl dreams. Trophy. But hey, it's not all bad news in the NFL. The Bears, yes, the Chicago Bears, are climbing up the rankings, hitting the top 10 with Caleb Williams under center. Imagine that a year ago, they were the laughing stock, and now they're causing serious trouble. Caleb Williams for Rookie of the Year? You heard it here first. Bear face up hero, alright, that's a wrap for today, but let me know what you think down below. Are the Cowboys done for this season? Who's jumping on the Bears bandwagon now? And do you think Mike McCarthy will survive this mess? Or is Jerry already checking Belichick's availability? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any more updates, roasts, or power rankings.